Welcome back to AI Path. MCP and Agent Protocols, Part 2. Last time we covered design patterns. Today we drop down a level, transports. How does an MCP server actually move bytes between your agent and your tools? There are 3 options, and picking the wrong one can break your whole setup. Let's get into it. First, what even is a transport? MCP sends messages back and forth in a fixed format. Tool list, tool call, response, error. But the protocol doesn't say how those messages travel. That's the transport's job. The transport is the road, the messages are the cars. And like roads, different transports work better for different distances. There are 3. One for when the server lives on your laptop. One for when it lives on the same network. And one for when it lives across the internet. 3 transports. Let's go through each. Transport 1, Stdio, short for Standard Input-Output. The agent literally launches your MCP server as a subprocess and talks to it through pipes, like a Unix command line tool. Super simple, super fast, zero network. Perfect for tools that run on the same laptop. Transport 2, SSE, server sent events. This is an HTTP connection that the server keeps open and streams events through. It's how the original remote MCP spec worked. Good for the same network case, but it's getting deprecated, so don't pick this for new projects. Transport 3, Streamable HTTP. This is the newer, official remote transport. It's a single HTTP endpoint that handles both regular requests and streaming responses. Easier to deploy, works through firewalls, plays nicely with cloud platforms. If you're building a remote MCP server today, this is the one. How do you pick? Easy decision tree. Question 1. Does your server run on the same machine as the agent? If yes, use Stdio. Done. Don't overthink it. Question 2. Does it need to be reachable by multiple users or remote agents? If yes, use Streamable HTTP. Question 3. Are you maintaining an old MCP server that already speaks SSE? Plan a migration to Streamable HTTP, don't write new SSE code. And question 4. Do you want to support both? Most modern frameworks let you wrap the same handler in either Stdio or Streamable HTTP with one config flag. Build it to work both ways from day one. Future you will say thanks. 5 gotchas before you ship. Number 1. Stdio servers can never print to stdout for logging. That channel is reserved for MCP messages. Use standard error or a log file. People burn hours on this one. Number 2. Streamable HTTP needs TLS in production. Don't ship plain HTTP, don't even test with it. Number 3. Timeouts. Long-running tools will hit your HTTP timeout before they finish. Configure your reverse proxy and your client. Number 4. Connection reuse. Don't open a new connection per tool call. Reuse one client. Otherwise latency goes through the roof. Number 5. Graceful shutdown. When the agent disconnects, your server should clean up. Otherwise you leak memory and ports. Quick recap. 3 transports, Stdio for local, Streamable HTTP for remote, and SSE only if you're maintaining old code. Pick by where the server lives. Build it both ways if you can. And watch the gotchas. Stdout is sacred for Stdio, TLS is mandatory for HTTP, and always reuse your connections. Next time we tackle distribution, how to package an MCP server, publish it to a registry, and let other people install it in one command. If this helped, hit subscribe and I'll see you in part 3.